In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the App Store icon back to your iPhone's home screen, all in just about 5 minutes. Now, we all know the occasional frustration of not finding an app where it should be, and the App Store icon can sometimes mysteriously vanish from your home screen, but don't worry, by following these steps you can easily have it back in no time. Let's start with the simplest method. First, swipe down on your iPhone's home screen. This gesture will activate the Spotlight search feature, which is a powerful tool for quickly finding apps and files on your device. In the search bar, type App Store. As you type, you should see the App Store icon appear in the list of results below. Once you see the App Store icon, press and hold it. This action brings up a context menu with several options. If the option is available, select Add to Home Screen. This will immediately add the App Store icon back to its usual place on your home screen, making it easily accessible once again. Now, sometimes you might not see the option to add it to your home screen. If that's the case, our next step is to dive into your iPhone settings. Go to Settings and scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap on it and then head over to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here you'll see an option labeled iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on that and make sure it's set to Allow. This ensures that restrictions aren't blocking the App Store from appearing on your home screen. If the App Store is still elusive, there's one more trick up our sleeve. Head back to the main settings menu and navigate to General. From there, select Reset. This section contains various reset options for your device. Tap Reset Home Screen Layout. Be mindful that doing this will return all app icons on your home screen to their default positions, so you might have to reorganize a few things afterwards. But it's a surefire way to get your App Store icon back to where you expect it. And there you have it, a few straightforward ways to recover the App Store icon on your iPhone. Whether you're using the Spotlight search or adjusting settings, these steps should help you solve the problem effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your iPhone a little bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.